When 10-year-old kids picked stocks and compared their results with chartered accountants, the kids ended up picking better stocks and making more money. How did they do that? We will find out in this video. As the saying goes, if the base is good, then the building will be well made. I am here today to help you build a strong foundation in the stock market so you can make a lot of money. Hello friends, I am Wealthverse and today in this video we will cover all the basics of the stock market. Many beginners get scared just hearing about the word stock market. Movies often show the stock market as destructive, but some friends claim that they make a lot of money from it. Family members might warn you to stay away from it. Even if you studied commerce, you might not have learned about the stock market correctly. It's normal to feel confused and nervous. But today, after watching this video, all your confusion will be cleared. First, a fun fact. If someone in your family had invested 10,000 rupees in Wipro shares 40 years ago, it would be worth more than 700 crores today. Even rupees 100 would have been grown to 7 crore rupees. This shows the potential of the stock market. However, remember that the stock market comes with risk. Just as there can be big profits, there can be also big losses. I am here to help you minimize losses and maximize profit. Now, I am going to address some common questions beginners might have. Is the stock market risky? If yes, how much? How much return can you expect? How much money do you need to start? Can a student start with pocket money? Is it easy or difficult to start? What are demat account and trading accounts? First, let's discuss the risk. When you buy a share, you own a small part of the company. If the company does well, your money grows. If not, you lose money. Investing in big companies like Tata, Reliance, or Godrej is similar to investing in a friend's business. Next, let's talk about returns. If you invest in a well chosen portfolio of stocks, at least 8 to 10 companies, you can expect around 18% to 20% returns in India's highest growth economy over the long run. This is much higher than what you would get from fixed deposits, gold, or real estate. Now, how much money do you need to start? You can start with a little amount of 1000 rupees per month. If you increase your investment by 15% every year and get a 15% return, you could have 1 crore rupees in 25 years. That's interesting. Starting is easy. You only need a Aadhaar card, PAN card, and a bank account. Many online discount brokers like Zerodha make the process easy, simple, and inexpensive. Now to uncover more about how you can start investing, manage risks, and potentially build substantial wealth, make sure to watch part 2 of this video series. We will address common questions beginners have and delve deeper into the workings of the stock market. If you have any doubts or need clarifications, comment below and my team will help you out. Use hashtag MyFirstInvestment on Twitter and Instagram to share your first stock purchase. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends or relatives who want to learn about investing. Bye for now. This is Wealthverse signing off.